Hello guys, welcome back to NF Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Yeedi vacuum. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you may need to do here to perform a successful reset. So first thing that you want to do is you want to power off your vacuum. Now you want to locate the power button on your Yeedi vacuum and basically just switch it off. Now if it's connected to a charging dock, you want to plug it as well. So in this case, this is for safety reasons. Now, what you need to do is you want to allow the vacuum to sit for a few minutes so that internal system or internal components can fully reset. Now, if the battery is low here, charge the vacuum before proceeding with the reset. Now, from then on, what we need to do is you want to find the reset button. So the reset button is usually going to be either the sides or at the bottom of the actual device. Now, for visual purposes here, it might be at the bottom. So in this case, look for a recessed button here. So in this case, you want to use a paper clip or something similar to that, and you want to press and hold that specific button here. Now, press and hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds, and after releasing the reset button, turn the vacuum back on and check if the issues are now resolved. Now, if your Yeedi vacuum connects to Wi-Fi, you may need to reconnect it to your network. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for Wi-Fi setup. Now, check if there are any firmware updates available on your vacuum as well, and if so, update the latest version to improve performance and fix any bugs that you may be encountering. So, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.